What's this? You giving up so soon? That's not like you. You gotta have a little gumption, a can-do kind of altitude. Just take it from a gull who knows. Now look at me, you see this face. In terms of beauty, I'm a basket case. And as for style and savoir-faire, well, I guess there ain't a whole lot there yet. Although perhaps it makes no sense. I strut my stuff with lots of confidence. Cause though I lack an awful lot, there is one thing I got positivity. I got positivity. It gives me the zam and the zow and the oddle. That's why I walk with a wiggle in my waddle. Cause once you've heard that word, there ain't nothing you can't do. So just let that positivity work for you.
Positivity? Why, there's no such word.
Oh, sure there is. It's in the dictionary, right between popsicle and pre-hysterical. Believe you me, I seen it work miracles. See, with the bip and the bap and the ba-ba-boo, you can flip any flap till your wish comes true. The tip is to tap into something that you believe. Cause with the zig and the zug and the scissor Z, there ain't nothing you can't be. You see, it's really your prerogative. You simply can't think negative. Then there's you, just sitting there, smack down flat upon your derriere. If that's the way you wanna be, well, you might as well be shrubbery.